Hi everyone, how are you doing? I'm here again with a new vlog. I have a bike here. Look here. This is my bike. I have my backpack on. Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm here to ride, to go on a bike, and I'm gonna explore some places in this esplanade. I'm just here. I'm so excited about riding because I always loved riding. I always loved bikes, and like I used to do stunts when I was little, but I can still do, but I'll try like after a few breaks. So look at this place. I'm not going to bike here, but look at the view. This is so nice. This is so beautiful. I'm going on the road. I'm going to ride there. And if you want to see, here's my bike. Actually, I have borrowed it. It's not my bike. So here is my bike. This is it. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. Like, it's so sunny, even I can't see what I'm seeing. I don't know if you can figure out, because I can't see properly what's on the screen. Also with my goggles on, with my sunglasses on, I can't see. Whatever. So this is my bike. Yeah, you should see that. And I'm gonna show you where I'm going to go. To and fro maybe. Because I don't think I'm going to go on the other path. Maybe I would go, but yeah, let's explore the esplanade and then check me out. So I am biking here in the sand, on the sand actually. Yay! Ooh. Oh my god, it's so heavy. It's a bit hard to ride on sand. Look. But of course it's fun. Okay, I'm going. Yeah. Let's go back. I'm biking and I love it. Look at the road here. Look at me. Yay! Biking is a good experience. So I have tried a few things while using GoPro. I don't know how much I loved, but of course I love biking. I think I should turn here. Let's turn. Okay. Hi. And now you can see what I'm seeing. This is a nice view. You can see here. And there is water, river. There is me. Yeah. I think we should stop here. Here. Yeah, I'm just turning. Well, thank you very much. Let me know if you like this angle, because I have tried many angles and I have experimented with the GoPro by placing it here and there. This is a bit bumpy, but still I think it's fine. It's going fine. It's not very smooth, but it's okay. I have tried placing it in the bike, placing it on me, and I have also held it by hand. I don't know, like, just let me know after watching everything which one did you like. I think this one is I have placed on me. I also tried to place it on the back seat, but there were bags there, so it was restricting the view, and hence I abandoned the clip. I was going through all the clips after recording this clip. I found it very funny because you can see here a man is running, not behind me, but yeah, he's running. So like it was very funny to look at. But yeah, I enjoyed it, and also I tried this. And I did many circles, like you can see here. I tried leaving hands, but I couldn't do it for a long time, which I used to do it earlier, and I used to leave my hands and I could ride a bit longer. This time it was hard. Maybe I need a bit of practice. So guys, we are done here. I'm going to finish the session, and I might see you in my next video. Have a good one, and bye for now. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want, but come back and check out my videos again. Bye.